Hey guys, so what's up? This is Audrey and this is Namrata. Welcome to another episode of DIY Thrift-flip outfit transformation video where we upcycle one of our old outfit into something new, different outfit. And today's outfit which we're gonna transform is we bought this cotton anarkali few years back and we mostly like it because of the kalamkari border, but we don't wear it anymore. So we have decided to make something western out of it. So we made this short skirt with that kalamkari border and this cute summer dress with beautiful pockets in it. I hope you will enjoy the whole making video and us wearing the skirt and the dress. So if you are interested in it, then keep on watching the whole video.
I'm gonna make the skirt first, so I am marking 2 inches above the printed fabric. Then I am separating the whole border from the marking. I am keeping this 2 inches orange part for the elastic casing, so we don't have to attach any other fabric for the casing or for the waistband. As I'm gonna fold the orange part inside to make the casing for the elastic, so we have to make sure that there is no extra space at the bottom. So I'm making this straight line and then curved it around the edge. You have to do this on the both side and then stitch them. Here I am using the elastic of 1 inch width. After seeing how much space I need, I'm just gonna fold and iron the top part. So after ironing and folding the whole orange part for the casing, it's time to stitch a straight line. And don't forget to leave some space for inserting the elastic. I took 1 inch less than my actual waist size for the elastic length. Then I'm gonna insert it with the help of a safety pin. Now I've got to join both the edge of the elastic. So I am stitching back and forth several times to really secure it. And lastly, we just have to close the loophole and then it will be ready to wear. Now let's move on to the second outfit. This is how the upper part is looking after the removal of the border thing. We have decided to remove the sleeves from the dress for more summer vibes, and I am using my sister's arms to mark the armhole. After cutting both the sleeves, we will be needing some bias pieces to finish up the armhole. I got 8 bias pieces from both the sleeves but end up needing only 3.5. Because sometimes I like doing things that I don't need to do. I attached the bias off camera. If you wanna learn how to attach bias on armholes or necklines, you can watch other YouTube tutorials. I'm not very expert in it. And I also hand hem the armhole because hand hem always looks better than machine hem. While you are watching my hands hemming the armhole, also assume that I hem the bottom of the dress because that footage you will not find in this video. Now I am making the pockets with the kalamkari border from the sleeves. And I cut them a few times until I got the size that I wanted. And iron it like this to make the patch pockets. Then I placed and pinned them at the right place. So after pinning, we just have to make top stitch at the three sides of the both pockets.
So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comment sections. It will mean a lot. Thank you. Bye bye.